Okay guys, welcome to today's edition, and today we shall be looking at how to create a slide testimonial. Okay, now you may have a website and you want to create a customer testimony in your website that will be sliding itself without you interrupting it or without you clicking the arrow button. Now if you take a look at my screen here, you can see this is what customer testimonials. Okay, you can use a plugin to do these functions. Okay, you can use a plugin to do this. Very easy. Look at it. This is a testimonial here. You can see that, you can see these arrows. You can see these arrows on it. Okay, now I want to refresh the page. Now this is the beginning. Okay, you just leave it. You see that it's sliding itself. You can see without me clicking anything. I'm not clicking anything, he's just sliding by himself. So you can do this to your website, and you have to what? Make the settings visible or whatsoever you are doing. So today guys, we'll be doing this training and this tutorial so that you too will be able to do such in your website or in a client website which you are doing for. Okay, now we dive into this tutorial. So this is my personal website, so I'll be using these 8 templates to do this training. Okay, I have these customer testimonials in my home page, but I want to use another page to do this training so that you will see how visible this will be done. You can also look at this also website which I did for someone. This is testimonial. Okay, let me refresh the page. So I'll refresh the page. You can see this is the beginning. You can see that the thing will be sliding itself without clicking anything. Okay, now it depends on the seconds which you place on it. Also depends on the minutes. Okay, so that is the minute it will obey and it will slide itself without you touching any of the arrow buttons. So guys, you can see that it is sliding itself. Okay, you can see this is the under quote from a client, what she's saying. Okay, so also you can do this to your website. So we'll go straight to the website we want to use. Let me use this page. Okay guys, so the next thing for us to do is now you come to your plugin, install plugins. So we'll search for add plugin, then we search for control this your search bar, search for a strong testimonial. Okay, strong testimonial. So allow it to load. Okay, you can see strong testimonials. Okay, just click install. Then you activate. Okay, so it has been activated. Okay, so the next thing for us to do guys now is you have successfully what? Install this testimonial, this strong testimonial on your dashboard. So you come to this your right hand side on this dashboard. You come to what? Just point on it, point on testimonials, then add new testimonials. Okay, then add new testimonial. Just give it a name, client testimonial. Okay, now that is the client testimonial. So you add the words which the client is saying here. You add the words. I already have a template which I have here. So I'll just copy this, copy it, then paste it here. You can decide to slant it, or whatever which you want to do. Okay, so after you have inserted the words into that box, so you can scroll down, you see this full name, so you type the name of the person, the client, this Kristen. You type the name on the person. Sorry guys. So guys, so the next thing for us to do is what? You scroll down, you can see the full details, the client details. You say what? You put the client name. If you have one of his name or her name, just put it there. If you have his email, the company where he's working, you can put it there. Now you can see the star rating. You can just choose star rating, put it there. So the next thing for us to do is to what? Publish. Okay, now you have published this. Okay guys, this have been published. Okay, now the next thing for us to do is to what? Go to your dashboard, point to testimonial. Let's see what's under all testimonials. Okay, it's already here. This is the first person which we have added. This is the name. We know we exempted the email, company website. If you have those details on yours, please do where to put it on yours. So the next thing for us to do is to what? Click on forms. Now this is the form. No, okay, so just let's go to the settings. This is the settings. Okay, this is where you set all things. Okay, this way you set all things for these slides to work. Okay guys, so we just go to views. Now we are on views now, so what you do next is what? Click add new. Okay, this is the name, just give it a name. It's client's testimonial. Okay, now you want to display slideshow, put it on slideshow if you want yours to be slideshow. This way you put the settings. Okay, so we have done that. So the next thing for us to do, this is the title. If you want, just leave that. Okay, show if you want single. Transition, show slide from whatever seconds. If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. Okay, then fade in 1 second. Let's say 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Start automatically, continue sliding, tick on it. Okay, now the template style default is already image on left. Remember, we have not inserted our image on left. If you want to put image on right, you can put your image on right. Okay, background, just leave all those ones. If you want to change, you can change. So I'll just click on my save changes. Okay, I've saved the changes. I'll go back to that, my testimonial. This is the one I did. Remember, I did put image. Okay, I'll click on it. I'll scroll down here, set feature image, select pictures where I put the images. Okay, next thing for us to do is to what? Click updates. Now, so that is done. So This is the first persons I've added. Okay, I want to add another person, add new testimonial. This is the second person. Okay, I'll just also copy and paste. You can give it slant, put this words block quote, that is quotation, then scroll down. The name of these clients is Chris. Okay, Chris, just put Chris Herrings. Okay, I'll just scroll down, click on the star if you want to give it a star rating, then add the image, set image, click on publish. Come to all testimonials, you can see you have 2 here. Okay, these are 2 persons, so we still want to add the last one. Okay, we'll be adding this last one before we do our thing. Now the same thing, just to give it the same title. So you click on the last. Okay, slant it if you wish, then the quotation, block quotation, give it the name of these clients, Jamie, then you scroll down, Jamie Paul. Okay, they can give it your rating, star rating, then you scroll down to insert the image of that client. Then you publish. Okay, now if you go to all testimonial, you can see that now if you come to this your testimonial, you can see what this is the 3 clients which we have. Okay, now we have uploaded their details in our testimonials. Now we want to put it in our live website. So what to do, go back to this your views. There's the client testimonial, you click on it. Okay, now this is the short code which will be copied. Just click to clipboard, click on it, then go back to your website which are updating. Now I want to put it in this place. So I'm looking for short code. There's a code, click on code, then I paste this code which I copied there. That is the code. Okay, then save it. Now this is the code which I save. Now I save it on my website. Do that. Now I open my live website. Okay, open my live website. I have to look for what? That is testimonials. Okay, testimonials, you can see. Okay, so this is what clients testimonials. So this is what client testimonials. So you just give it time, it will click by ink save. You can see what is displaying by itself. Okay, you can see it's displaying by itself without you. I didn't put any arrows. If you want to put arrow, you can put arrow. Now you can see this name is on the right hand side. If you want to change the name to be at the name is on the left hand side. Okay, now if you want to put to the right hand side, you can simply do that in the settings, and that. Okay, so you can see that what the image is here and the name is here. So we'll just go back to what's here. So this is the image on my right, which I place on my right. Just put it on my left. Now if I want to put the navigation bar, you can, that navigation bar, this is navigation bottom previous, play pause, bottom previous, next, side previous, next. So I can put it on bottom or at the side. I decide previous or next. So I'll just do my save changes. Okay, come back to my site, just refresh the page so you can see the button, right? You can see the button. So this is what the image is on now on my left. Now this is the name on my right hand side. So guys, so that is how to create your slide testimonials on your website, okay, without any obstruction of any other thing, but just using only your plugins to do these wonderful client testimonials on your website. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful and useful, please click the like button and the thumb button, and make sure you're following us for next update on our platform. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Hope to see you soon again.